A force of 98 Newton required to pull a body of mass 1 into 10 power 2 kg over the surface. Coefficient of friction is then G equal 9.8 meter per second square. Solution. Given data. First, force F is equivalent to 98 newtons. Mass is given as 1 into 10 power 2 kg. Coefficient of friction mu is equivalent to question mark. G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Formula mu is equivalent to F by N. Since frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction, so remove the proportionality constant, F equal to mu into N, then mu equal to F by N only. So this is the formula. Substitute the values. F is nothing but 98 and a normal means mg we can be choose. Normal formula, mass and acceleration due to gravity. So mu equal to 98 by mass is given as 1 into 10 power 2 into G value is nothing but 9.8. That is we get as 98 by, that means multiply the 10 and divide the 10, and that also 980 by 98 or 980 we can take, otherwise multiply with the 10, divide with the 10, 98,000, that's we can cancel all the terms, we get as 1 by term we can get 1 by 10, that equal to 0.1. So 0.1 is the answer. 0.1 is the answer. A body of mass 100 grams made up of this slide on top horizontal by apply a force of 0.9, then the coefficient of friction is. Solution. Given data. Mass of the body M is equal to 100 grams. Force F equal to 0.8 Newton. G is equivalent to 10 meter per second square. Coefficient of friction mu is equal to question mark. Formula mu is equal to F by N. Since F directly proportional to N, frictional force, then remove the proportionality constant mu into N, then N can be sent as the denominator, F by N equal to mu, then mu equal to F by N. Mu is equivalent to F by mg we can write. Why? Because N equal to mg only. Substitute the values from the above. Mu equal to 0.8 by mass 100 grams we convert into kg, that is 100 into 10 power minus 3 kg only. That's we can write as 10 power minus 3. I think a kg now, kg I am writing. into g value, how much we consider here? 10 we consider. Here all the terms are cancelled here. Why? Because 10 power minus 3 means 1000 only. 1 by 1000 and 1000 both are cancelled, means we get the answer is nothing but 0.8 newtons. The minimum force required to move a body of mass 5 kg over a surface whose coefficient of friction is. Solution: given data, mass m equal to 5 kg, coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.3, g is equivalent to 10 meter per second square. Formula, okay, force value you can find, that's we have to find force. Formula: F is directly proportional to normal reaction. Remove the proportionality constant. F equal to mu into n. N is equivalent to mass and acceleration due to gravity. So F equal to mu mg. Substitute the values from the above. Mu value 0.3, m value 5 and g value 10. That means F equal to 15 newtons. F equal to 15 newtons. Take the angle of friction between the two surfaces 37. If cos 37 is 4 by 5, coefficient of friction between the two surfaces p by 4, then p value can be find out. Given data, cos 37 is equal to 4 by 5. We make a right angle triangle. Angle is 37. 3 below is nothing but we consider as sequence of letters 3, 4, 5. So automatically above is a 5. Once again here is a 3. Opposite. Once again Sima. 3 below is exactly 4. Above is the 5 and opposite is 3. So this is a sequence of letter we can follow. Then easy for remembering. From formula we can write mu is equivalent to tan phi. So mu is equivalent to opposite by adjacent we can write. What is the mu formula? Mu is nothing but p by 4 is given. So mu is nothing but p by 4, opposite is nothing but 3, adjacent is nothing but 4. So 4 denominators are equal means numerators also equal. P equal to 3 only. P equal to 3. A force of 100 Newton is acting on a block placed on a rough horizontal surface as shown figure. The block does not slide at a function is found to be tan n 7 by find the value of n. So angle is nothing but 37 means again same 3, 4, 5 we can take. Now take a 10 kg block. Now 100 forces are resolved in it. What is the force is acting? 100 newtons of force is acting, that is makes certain angle. How much of the angle is made means 37 degrees is made. Now that is along x-axis. So I write the what is the value of along x-axis. F of x is equivalent to resultant force 100 into angle. What is the angle? Cos 37 you can write. Then f of x equal to 100 into cos 37 value is nothing but 4 by 5. 4 by 5 I am writing. So 5 is cancelled 20 times in this one. So 80 newtons. F of x equal to 80 newtons. F of x is 80 newtons. Similarly, a vertical component you can take. That is opposite angle means f of y equal to force is 100 and sine 37 you can write. So f of y equal to 100 into sine 37 means 3 by 5 we can write. So how many times cancel means 20 times is cancelled. 23s are 60. So f of y is equivalent to 60 newtons. F of y is 60 newtons. Now you can make a FBD, free body diagram. Why we make a FBD means what are the forces are acting, to can easily identify. For that purpose we can make a FBD. Block is there, its mass is 10 kg. F of x acting along positive x axis, that is 80 Newton, and frictional force is backward. Similarly, here f of y equal to 60 newtons. What is that one? 60 newtons we can be right. 60 newtons. Normal is upward direction and weight is acting vertically downward. These are the forces acting on the block. So again here normal is upward, okay, weight is downward. That's we can write as first normal and f of y I can write. So normal n is equivalent to mg plus F5. Here mass is given how much? 10. Mass is given as 10. G value is nothing but G also nothing but 10. Acceleration due to gravity. Then 10 into 10 plus F of y value how much here? 60 newtons. That's 60 I am writing. So n equal to 100 plus 60. That equal to n equal to 160 newtons. Next, f of x is exactly balanced by frictional force. So f of x equal to f only, that equal to, what is the value? Already we proved that one, 80 newtons. 80 Newton. Now, what is the given means phi is equivalent to tan inverse of 1 by n. Formula we can write. Mu is equivalent to tan phi. Already if right now given value, that value can substitute in the given equation. Mu equal to tan into above only tan inverse of 1 by n we can write. So tan and tan inverse can be, functions are removed, opposite function, then we get as 1 by n. So mu equal to 1 by n, mu value equal to nothing but f by n we can be write. Then f by n is equivalent to 1 by n. Already we find now f value is nothing but 80, n value is nothing but 1 by 60 we can be find, that equal to n. How many times cancel here? 2 times is cancelled, then n equal to 2 only. That is a problem. N equal to 2 answer. N equal to 2 is the answer. A body of mass 400 grams slides on a rough horizontal surface if the frictional force is 3 Newton. The magnitude of the contact force is given data. Here mass m equal to 400 g, that can be converted as 400 into converted into kgs, 10 power minus 3 kg. Now normal we can write. Normal n equal to mg. M equal to 400 into 10 power minus 3 into g value is nothing but 10. 1000 is there here and 1 by 1000 is there. All are cancelled means remaining only 4 only remaining there. So normal equal to 4 newtons. Then frictional force F equal to, what is the formula? We can write as frictional force is nothing but 3 newtons, not 4 newtons. Now what we have to find means contact force we can find. Contact force F net is question mark. So F net means formula one. So formula F net is equivalent to under root of normal square frictional force square by force we can write. Normal is nothing but 4 square we can write, and frictional force is nothing but 3 square under root, that is a 16 plus 9 root, that is a root over 25, 5 square under root we can both are cancel, square and root both are cancel, then 5 we get. Then F net is equivalent to 5 newtons. This is the solution. 5 newtons. A block sliding on a rough horizontal surface, if the contact force of the block is root 2 times the frictional force, that is F net equal to under root of n square plus f square only. Then given that root 2n equal to n square plus frictional force formula mu square into n square. Root 2n equal to, in both of them what is make common? N is make common, under root of 1 plus mu square. Now n and both are get cancelled. Now squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, we get as 2 is equivalent to, squaring now square and root both are cancelled, 2 is equivalent to 1 plus mu square. 1 can bring inside the equivalent, that is mu square equal to 2 minus 1 we can write. Then mu square equal to 1, then mu also plus or minus 1, but here we consider as 1 positive value, because coefficient of friction no negative value.